What's up guys, Space Monk here, and I was told to give a tutorial on the sound that's the outward K and what I got from Napalm, and it's that sound. So to do that sound, what you want to do is put the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth, and then, well, really if you can do an inward K, which is coming from the sides of your tongue, and just the air release like a snap in your fingers, but with your tongue, then it's kind of just that, but outwards. And it does take some air, but you want to compress air and then let it out at the sides. Like if you did it slow, it might be like like Donald Duck, like. But when you hollow your mouth and you, I'm not sure how to describe it exactly, but I hope that helps. It'll get cleaner if you have the lip buzz with it. I don't know how else to describe it. Just use the sides of your tongue and hollow your mouth. Good luck.